The benefits of maximizing natural daylight and views in building design. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we summarize how prioritizing abundant natural daylight and expanded views can transform architectural design.
We've found through studies that in schools, educational facilities, educational buildings utilizing greater amounts of natural light and views have increased student performance, lower turnover rates of teachers, lower absentee rates all the way around. Improved student performance has been well documented in commercial construction. We've proven that building rental rates are increased, value of the building is increased with increased amounts of daylight being used. Employee engagement's higher, turnover rates of employees lower. Greater amounts of daylight and views have been tied directly to increased employee engagement and performance. In hospital facilities, not only reduced operating cost, but greater amounts of daylights have increased the recovery time. Patients are recovering faster. The views in healing gardens allow patients to absorb vitamin D from sunlight, again, improving performance and improving the effectiveness of hospital treating. So there's definite improvements and there's definite benefits to natural lighting. So as an architect, when you're looking at a commercial building, getting into something new, certainly there's lots of drivers you need to take into consideration. Thermal performance, codes, extreme weather conditions, security, project aesthetics, these are all big drivers. But regardless, they're all going to be impacted by daylight. So daylight needs to be something else that you have a strategy for moving into a project, how to effectively manage daylight, and how to maximize views and daylight for the benefit that daylight and views brings to a project. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.